Hi friends, grab a cuppa. We're going to do a little baking together. Today I am making a very simple and pretty wholesome sweet from the Healthy Desserts Cookbook, and this one is in the vegan bundle. Now, when I saw this little ebook, I was like, ooh, this looks interesting. And there were a couple of recipes that caught my eye, and this is one of them. So simple as well. I'm not sure if this photo is going to translate. It's a chocolate chip cookie skillet. That's the name of the recipe. Really simple, guys. There are four dry ingredients, two of which are the baking soda, baking powder, and four wet ingredients, one of which is not maple syrup. Well, yes, maple syrup is in it. One of which is vanilla. So really, really simple. A total of 8 ingredients, whole foods, oil-free, only sweetened with maple syrup. Couldn't be easier. So let's get to it. All right, so I have the wet ingredients ready to go and the dry ingredients. I'm going to show you what's happening. There's the wet ingredients, and whoops, that's my oven. Of course, I can't share the measurements and the specific ingredients, but they are everyday common staples that you'll have in your kitchen. And if you use gluten-free oats, this recipe is also gluten-free. So I don't have vanilla extract handy right now, but I do have my very favorite vanilla bean powder. And that's what I'm going to use in the recipe today. And then that's the pulverized or ground oats. You could also just use oat flour. In this ebook, it seems she recommends just blitzing the oats into a fine flour. So that makes it simple. Most of us have oat flour, or pardon me, most of us have ground oats on hand. And there we go. And then we're just going to add the chocolate chips. Oh, okay, that counts for another dry ingredient, but I mean, not much. I didn't have a lot of chocolate chips, so I broke up some chocolate bar. There we go. That's it. And then this gets poured into, if you have a small skillet, you can pour it into a skillet, not pour, but transfer into a skillet. I don't have a small skillet, so I used a small cake pan, and I'm going to show you the final. So I pop that one in the oven after. I'm going to show you the final result. Look at that. How fun. It's like a giant chocolate chip cookie. And we can take the whole thing out. I mean, pretty fun. A giant chocolate chip cookie. That's pretty wholesome. Smells absolutely delicious. Shall we do a little cut into it? I think so. It still needs to cool. I literally pulled this out of the oven about 5 minutes before starting the video. So let's just, I don't even think I need a knife. I'm just going to use my offset spatula and cut down through the center a little bit. Ooh, this one looks nice. Right there. There we go. It's kind of like a little bit like a muffin texture, but looks like a cookie, right? Kind of fun. So let's just take a little taste. That's really good. And it's not overly sweet. So for those of you who want a little baked good that's not too sweet, this is really a beautiful option. Go make it. You've got to pick up the bundle to get the recipe, but guess what, guys? You get everything for $49. It keeps growing. They're cluing it up, but it keeps growing. So I think there's over maybe 150 pieces of content. There's a lot. Link through, learn more, pick it up, and make yourself the chocolate chip cookie skillet. Okay? We'll see you soon. Link through to the playlist to see more videos where I featured recipes and content from the bundle.